Unraveling Lead Decay, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in business and marketing contexts: lead decay. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it correctly in a sentence. So, let's get started. Before we tackle the whole phrase, let's first understand what a lead is. In business terminology, a lead refers to a person who has shown interest in a product or service and could potentially become a customer. The term is widely used in sales and marketing. Think of it as a seed that could grow into a fruitful tree, which in this case, is a sale. Now, let's look at the word decay. Decay means the process of declining in quality, power, or vigor. It's often used to describe the natural process of rotting or deteriorating over time. When we talk about food decaying, we mean it's going bad. But what does this have to do with leads? Putting it together, lead decay refers to the process where potential leads, those interested prospects, lose their interest or relevance over time. This can happen for many reasons. Maybe the potential customer found a solution elsewhere, their needs changed, or they simply forgot about the interaction. It's important to understand that lead decay can have a significant impact on business. If leads are not followed up promptly and nurtured, the chances of converting them into sales diminish greatly. This concept reminds businesses to be proactive and engage with their leads regularly. Now that we know what lead decay means, let's use it in a sentence. Our sales team is updating their follow-up strategies to prevent lead decay. Lead decay is a challenge in fast-paced industries where customer preferences change quickly. That wraps up our lesson on lead decay. Remember, staying in touch with potential customers and understanding their needs can help prevent leads from decaying. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how to use it in your own context. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.